Hey everyone, I'm back with the unboxing of the new Insta360 Ace Pro 2. In the box we have the camera, of course. Really clean packaging. I love all the big graphics, all the main highlights of the camera. I also ordered the ND filter set, more on that later. The selfie stick to GoPro style adapter, as well as there's a card here. So let's actually open it up. Nice. Got the camera in the box, of course. Super big sensor. Right away you can tell it's gonna be good in low light. Really like this screen flipping up. Super handy for checking on the helmet to make sure it's pointed where you want it, or just in a weird spot on the YXZ. Also came with, of course, charging cable, USB-C, silica gel for a snack later. Not a snack for legal purposes. The magnetic quick connection GoPro style mount. This goes to the bottom of the camera. Super nice.
Maybe take some pictures too of it.
Ooh, that was satisfying. Now we gotta do them all. Super solid connection. No issues there. Feels like a really... Oh, let's get this one off too. Yes.
Oh yeah.
That's where the charging port is, as well as the SD card slot. Kind of hard to see, but you get the point.
That's probably enough of that video.
Either way, there's a second battery and the mic cap. It comes pre-installed with the wind buff. Let's see if we can one-shot this. No.
Oh!
Alright, now for the filters. These are what I'm most excited for with the new Ace Pro 2.
For part of it. Just need to mount on a wall or a table. Yeah. And two. I don't even have to put it on. We're gonna like wear it. So you have to have a bunch of different. This might take a while to figure out how to make it.
Here's the ND32 for reference. You see how dark it really is.
Yeah.
Anyway, excited to try these out. They'll be really awesome for adding motion blur at higher frame rates, especially in the sand dunes.
This was a job you had to
Alright, here's the selfie stick to camera adapter. This is the GoPro style that goes to the bottom of the Ace Pro 2. Really solid construction, good texture on the plastic handle. The aluminum nut is also captive. Quick recap. Excited to use this for follow shots with the ND filters, helmet cam footage, as well as some in-car stuff. Gonna be a really solid camera and really excited to try it out.